In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue of sound or audio not working in Roblox. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. So, first step is to try closing Roblox and relaunching the game or checking another game to determine if it's a game-specific issue or a general problem with Roblox. Next, check your Roblox sound settings. Pause Roblox by pressing the escape button or tapping on the Roblox icon in the top left corner. Then go to settings and adjust the volume if it's muted or too low. Additionally, make sure the volume on your computer is turned up and check if you have the option to change the output device for audio in your game settings. If you're using Windows, you can also check the sound settings by right-clicking on the sound icon in the bottom right corner and ensuring that Roblox is set to 100% volume. If you're still experiencing sound issues, check if audio is working in other applications like YouTube or Spotify to determine if it's a problem with Roblox or your computer's sound settings. If your computer has sound problems, right-click on the sound icon again and go to sound settings to ensure that the correct audio output device is selected. You can also run the sound troubleshooter by searching for Troubleshoot settings, locating playing audio in the troubleshooter section and running it to resolve any sound-related problems. If these solutions help resolve your issue, please leave a like. We'll see you in the next video.